Hello, beautiful people. It's me, Caroline, coming to you from MC Beaters. And I didn't make anything today, but I'm hoping that something in these packages have something to do with me being creative, because it is a rainy day. And we had a wedding last night. We came home late. It was beautiful, the wedding. And we went to the gym. And we're just going to be low-key right now, but I figured I'll craft while it's raining and just whatever, watch Lifetime movies. But before I do that, let me see if there's anything here that I could use. So, I will start with the smallest. I'm hoping everyone had a lovely weekend. I put these nails on. I bought these at Rite Aid for the wedding, and I don't know, my daughter's like, these are kind of loud, Mom. I'm like, I don't know, well, I'm not a loud person, so I wanna, but it kind of went with the outfit. Okay, these are, hold on, let me move all this. These are actually erasers, and I thought these were really cute, and I got these for the prize box in my classroom because I think they were really inexpensive. How much were they? I don't know. They were really inexpensive, but I like them because they're clear and they don't give off a lot of the shredding, because kids have a tendency of playing with the, after they erase the pencil erasers, they play with those little doodads. But these are the kind that are clear and they really just smudge off mistakes. So less distraction. And I got 4 of them. Prize box. So this weekend we had graduation parties, which were beautiful, and we had a wedding, and that's about it. So this week, it's been so hot here in New York. It has been unbelievable. The heat index was 107 yesterday, and it was 101 most of the week. This is washi tape, and I don't know, I saw someone else buy the washi tape from Wish. It is thin, it's not very thick, but that's okay because I actually use these to color code things in my classroom, like the headsets for the Chromebooks for the students. So this is actually it'll do its purpose. So this was washi tape. No clue, what this was. Boy, I'm noticing that most of my purchases are for the classroom. Alrighty. So it was really hot, so they're saying this week should be much better. And I am really hoping, because it is just, our pool is like bath water. It is so warm. But right now, it is raining. It is bad. It is really, really bad. So, hoping it's just a passing shower, but we really do need it. Grass is dying, everything's dying. It's just so hot, unbearable. I don't remember it being, I got this for my daughter. This is actually an anklet, or it could be a bracelet. So, I'm going to give her this. She's into these types of necklaces. Misha, no! Oh, this is like an anklet or a bracelet. So, see, I think of other people too, not just me and my crafting. We're going to be getting ready for, my son is turning 18 in less than 2 weeks, so we're going to have a little celebration for him, and then we're going to go away. So, looking forward to that. Nails. I could have used these last night instead of my loud purple nails. Okay, these are nails, and I like these because they're like graduated. They like have like it fades in and out. They seem kind of thick. So my nails are not my nail buds. They're the width, but like that could be my thumb. But these are really cute. Okay. What else? So far, nothing for crafting, Caroline. It's okay. Maybe I'll make some jewelry later. I don't know. Mary Ann's supposed to be coming over one day this week, and we're going to craft together. Me and my little buddy. Okay. This is a mouse, and I got this for my computer at work. As I said, I want everything to be pink. Oh, there's my pink mouse. And yeah, so I got that. I think I'm going a little crazy with the pink. I don't know. Okay. All this is from Wish, and I know it because it came in a bigger bag that said Wish, because they've been putting multiple items in one bag. I don't see how that they can do that when you pay for each individual, but I got this for my for work. This is correcting tape for, you know, when you make mistakes, and yeah, it's a heart. Like a child. Okay, and now my last. And then I'm gonna watch Lifetime. Watch all those women scorned movies. I don't know why I like it. I just do. I swear I'm normal. Okay, so let's see what this is. Okay. It's pink. It's a pencil sharpener. Yes, I got a manual. I have an electric pencil sharpener in the classroom, but I just thought this was cute for when I want to sharpen my pencils. And it's unicorn. So this is what I got going on in the classroom. And I'm hoping everyone has a glorious and wonderful Monday. Take care, guys.